Hello friends, I am Arush and welcome to my channel Shift Kids Education, and today we are going to be taking 40 amazing animal facts quiz for young children, students and kids. You'll be provided a few seconds to answer each question, but feel free to pause if you need more time. So let's start. Are you ready? One. Which is the fastest animal on the planet? The answer is peregrine falcon. 2. Which is the fastest land animal in the world? The answer is cheetah. 3. Which is the fastest fish in the world? The answer is sailfish. 4. Which is the largest land animal in the world? The answer is elephant. 5. Which is the largest animal on the planet? The answer is blue whale. 6. Which is the largest fish in the world? The answer is whale shark. 7. Which is the largest bird on the planet? The answer is ostrich. 8. Which is the largest snake in the world? The answer is green anaconda. 9. Which is the longest snake in the world? The answer is reticulated python. 10. Which is the tallest animal on the planet? The answer is giraffe. 11. Which is the largest natural big cat in the world? The answer is Siberian tiger. 12. Which animal has the best sense of smell? The answer is great white shark. 13. Which animal has the best hearing? The answer is moth. 14. Which animal has the best eyesight? The answer is eagle. 15. Which is the heaviest flying bird? The answer is Cory bustard. 16. Which bird has the longest wingspan? The answer is albatross. 17. Which bird can fly backwards, forwards, and even upside down? The answer is hummingbird. 18. Which bird lays the largest eggs? The answer is ostrich. 19. Which is the fastest swimming bird? The answer is penguin. 20. Which is the smallest bird in the world? The answer is bee hummingbird. 21. Which is the largest reptile on the planet? The answer is saltwater crocodile. 22. Which animal can move its eye independently from each other? The answer is chameleon. 23. Which is the largest lizard in the world? The answer is Komodo dragon. 24. Which reptile can climb on any surface? The answer is gecko. 25. Which lizard can run on water? The answer is basilisk. 26. Which is the longest venomous snake? The answer is king cobra. 27. Which is the national animal of Australia? The answer is kangaroo. 28. Which bird can rotate its head 280 degrees? The answer is owl. 29. Which is the national animal of India? The answer is the tiger. 30. Which is the largest spider in the world? The answer is Goliath bird-eating spider. 31. Which is the shortest living insect? The answer is mayflies. 32. Which mammal lays eggs and has a duck bill? The answer is platypus. 33. Which is the most intelligent invertebrate? The answer is octopus. 34. Which bird can fly underwater? The answer is puffin. 35. Which animal has the best memory? The answer is dolphin. 36. Which animal has the largest teeth? The answer is the sperm whale. 37. Which is the largest tree climbing animal? The answer is the orangutan. 38. Which animal has the warmest fur? The answer is the beaver. 39. Which is the only flying mammal? The answer is bat. 40. Which is the only type of leaf a koala eats? The answer is eucalyptus leaves. Thanks for watching. Bye.